How to make BLT pasta salad. Ingredients: 12 ounces corkscrew-shaped pasta, a half cup milk, 12 ounces lean bacon, 3 medium-ripe tomatoes cut into chunks, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh thyme, 1 clove garlic, minced, kosher salt and freshly ground pepper, a half cup mayonnaise, 1/4 cup sour cream, 4 tablespoons chopped chives or scallion greens, 5 heads Bibb lettuce, quartered, or 5 cups chopped romaine hearts. Directions: cook the pasta in a large pot of salted boiling water as the label directs. Drain and toss with the milk in a large bowl. Set aside. Meanwhile, cook the bacon in a large skillet over medium-high heat until crisp. Drain on paper towels. Discard all but 3 tablespoons drippings from the pan. Add the tomatoes, thyme and garlic to the pan and toss until warmed through. Season with salt and pepper. Crumble the bacon into bite-sized pieces. Set aside 1/4 cup for garnish. Toss the remaining bacon and the tomato mixture with the pasta. Mix the mayonnaise, sour cream and 3 tablespoons chives with the pasta until evenly combined. Season with salt and pepper. Add the lettuce. Toss again to coat. Garnish with the reserved bacon and the remaining 1 tablespoon chives. Serve at room temperature.